Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wellness Wisdom World, your guide to understanding the essentials of a healthy life for optimal well-being. Whether you're a college student on a tight budget or a family trying to make ends meet, eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we'll share 5 practical tips and clever tricks to help you stretch your dollar while still enjoying nutritious and delicious meals. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the unique ways to save your money while eating nutritious meals. Tip number 1. Buy in bulk. Purchasing staples like grains, beans, and nuts in bulk can save you money in the long run. Look for bulk bins at your local grocery store, or consider joining a wholesale club. Tip number 2. Opt for store brands. Store brands are often more affordable than name brands and can be just as nutritious. Compare prices and give store brands a try to see if you can save some money without sacrificing quality. Tip number 3. Choose seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are usually less expensive and taste fresher than out-of-season options. Plan your meals around what's in season to save money and enjoy the best flavors. Tip number 4. Cook in batches. Prepare large batches of meals like soups, stews, or casseroles and portion them out for multiple meals throughout the week. This saves time and money by reducing food waste and the need for takeout. Tip number 5. Get creative with leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Repurpose them into new meals by adding them to salads, sandwiches, or wraps. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. So whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, remember, eating healthy on a budget is not only possible, it's deliciously rewarding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more useful and informative videos.